Welcome my dear students. In today's video we will be discussing about the logic gates. We have already discussed about the three gates, that is AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. We all know that AND gate is nothing but a multiplication operation, OR gate is nothing but a addition operation and NOT gate is nothing but a complement of the basic symbol. So now what is NAND gate? NAND gate says that it is nothing but the combination of NOT gate and AND gate. So if we flip the functions of the AND gate, it will gives us the NAND gate. Similarly, NOR gate is nothing but a combination of NOT gate and OR gate. So if we flip the outputs of the OR gate, we will have a NOR gate. You can see in the truth table also, in NAND gate 0 0 becomes 1, 0 1 becomes 1, 1 0 1, 1 1 0. Similarly in NOR gate 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 1 0 0 and 1 1 is also 0. Now we have a XOR gate and XNOR gate. XOR gate says that I will give only the output 1 if I have the number of odd ones in the input combination. Number of odd ones in the input combination. So this is the diagram of the XOR gate. NAND gate and NOR gates are also known as a universal gates because using these two gates any other boolean function can be easily implemented. So this is the NAND gate implementation. We can also use the NAND gate using De Morgan's law. We can simplify any boolean expression using NAND to NAND logic and NOR to NOR logic. So this is the NOR to NOR logic. See, in this all the diagrams we have only and only used the NOR gate. So NAND and NOR, these are the symbols which we have written for the NAND and the NOR. Two graphic symbols for the NAND gate and two graphic symbols for the NOR gate. So this is also a multi-level, multi-gate implementation. We have already done the questions related to it. This particular circuit diagram is made up from the basic logic circuits AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. So for any other queries, please feel free to ask anything within the class. Thank you so much.